Hello everyone, today I've got my first Capcut tutorial for you. We are going to show you how you can remove your green screen in Capcut PC. Hi, I'm Esese here and I make videos on tech, finance and life. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in Capcut PC. Without wasting much time, let's jump over here to my desktop. So I have Capcut already open here, and for this we need two videos. So I've got a couple of videos here. One is the mountainous video that we'll put at the background, so we are going to use this at the background. And then I have another video here which contains the green screen, and that's what we are going to use. So it's a subscribe button with the notification bell, and that's what we are going to use for this tutorial. Now I'll go ahead and grab all the two. Okay, let's grab them one at a time into my Capcut here. And now since I have it, I'm going to expand this here. Now what we are going to do is we need to put the background in the main track. So we'll put the background in the main track over here, and then we'll bring our green screen on top of this. So yes, so now when we play, it goes from our background, then it comes to our green screen, then the subscribe button also comes. All right, so here how I'm going to remove the green screen is that you make sure this green screen, the video that has the green screen is selected, or the video that you placed on top is selected. So once you have that selected, you come to your tabs here. You can see there are several tabs like video, audio, speed, animation, tracking and adjustment. Make sure the video tab is selected, and then on the sub tabs that we have here, we have basic cutout. So we'll simply move to cutout, and then we select chroma key, and then after the chroma key, below the chroma key we have color picker. So you simply hit on the color picker, and then it will give you this green circle, this circle that you can hover on your player, and then make sure you click any area, not the red. Make sure you click any area that has the color we want to remove, which is the green. So go ahead and click that, and then it has our green selected here, and we are going to simply increase the strength as well as the shadows to make sure all the green is off. So we are going to increase it a little bit, and you can see there is a couple of greens here if you check. So we are going to increase it again a little bit, let's say all the way to 60, and then it seems to be okay. So we are going to increase the shadows as well to about 70, and this one about 60. Yeah, and we can see but we can bring this all over to this place to make sure all the greens are not there anymore, and we can also increase the shadows a little. And now when we go ahead and play the video, you can see we don't have any green screen behind it. All right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.